Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are not Jamaican who love authentic food, you're going to like this one. So today we'll be steaming some callaloo with some saltfish. We're going to start by getting our saltfish boiled. Saltfish is finished boiling now, so I'm going to remove it from the pot. Getting our callaloo cut up into small pieces. So now that I finished cut up my callaloo, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some natural seasoning. So I have some tomatoes, onion, garlic, hot pepper. Go ahead and get my callaloo wash. Growing up as a child, this was my favorite breakfast to eat in the morning. Some callaloo steamed with some saltfish. So this is our saltfish, so we're gonna go ahead and pick up the saltfish to add to our callaloo. My little garden is coming along. Tomatoes are on the tree. There's not a lot, but they're coming along. And then you have some scallion over there. I'm gonna go ahead and add all my natural seasoning to the pot. Yolani. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and let it steam for 15 to 20 minutes. I didn't add any water to it, I just let it spring its own juice. So this is the callaloo and the saltfish. Big up to all my lovely subscribers and viewers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.